Hello guys, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner. Thank you so much for tuning in. And so if you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please remember to turn the post notification bell on so you will know when my next video is up. So guys, on the menu that we have for today is lemon pepper baked drumstick, jasmine white rice, and a vegetable on the side to complement. So guys, as you can see in this container, I have some drumstick that I'm about to clean up. I'm gonna remove the skins and the excess fat. So I love to remove the skin, because on the skin, that's where the germ really live, and so it's not healthy. So as you see, I'm removing the skin. If you wish, you can leave the skin on, but I love to remove the skin from the chicken. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is well skinned, and now I'm about to wash with some vinegar. You can either use vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice to wash your meats. Try just to remove like extra skin. Just like that, guys. Whatever residue that is on the chicken is completely removed. And since I'm done with that, I'm just gonna drain this off, and then I'm gonna rinse with fresh water, fresh running water, guys. At this point, my washing is done. See how clean that is? So now we're gonna go straight into seasoning, and this is one of my favorite seasoning. It's the Badaya complete seasoning, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some on the chicken like that, just like that, guys. Dash table blend. my favorite of all. This is the Maggi Season Up all-purpose powdered season, and with this you don't need nothing more, but as I said, I love my stuff real nice. So I'm just gonna put a little of that. And that's Badaya lemon pepper seasoning. We go ahead and sprinkle some onto that, just like that, guys. And my Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce, that's a plus and a must in my kitchen, guys. It's full of flavor, you know, you can, even the babies can eat it. So guys, you know, I put on my glove and I rub the seasoning into the chicken, just like that. Guys, don't forget you need some extra virgin olive oil. So I just pour it in my hand and then I just drizzle it onto the chicken. Just like that. And then I'm gonna leave to sit for at least 20 minutes. Then this baby will be ready to go in the oven. So guys, while my chicken is being marinated, I'm just gonna preheat my oven. So guys, now my chicken is well marinated, and so what I'm gonna do right now is transfer the chicken to the baking pan, just like that. So guys, my oven is ready. It's at 400, and so I'm about to put my ready and seasoned drumstick into the oven. So I will put this in uncovered. So guys, now that the chicken is in the oven, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some rice onto the stove, because we'll be having that with some jasmine white rice, as I mentioned before. So guys, as you can see on the stove, I have here a pot with some water, and so this will be for the rice. And I went ahead and I also turned the stove on. So now what I did, I took a spoon and I scooped some butter to go in my water, and this will give the rice a nice buttery taste. It's a little bit hard to come out the spoon, so and guys, you can put whatever you choose. I like to use this amount. It's a bit hard. Just went ahead and use my finger just to scoop it down a bit. So guys, we all know that you're gonna need some salt, as we know that salt gives flavor. So you sprinkle a little bit of salt into, you know, the water. As well, I have a hot whole pepper. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the pot. It's already washed. That's for tasting, along with some scallions and garlic. I love my food with a lot of flavor, guys, so just gonna put that in there. And so wait for that to come to a boil, and then I will be transferring the washed rice. As you can see, I have here in my hand my rice. That's the Carolina jasmine white rice, and I'm just gonna pour that in the pan and give it a nice thorough wash. I love the jasmine rice because I love that smell, that nice fragrance that it gives off. That's what I really love about the jasmine rice. And so that should be enough. Seal it up, and now I'm giving this baby a nice wash. I have to wash my rice until the water is a bit clear. So guys, this is my rice. It's well washed, and so as you can plainly see, let me bring that up a little bit. The water is boiling, and what I'm gonna do right now is just transfer the rice to the water. Just like that. The chicken in the oven smells so good, guys. I wish you could really smell this aroma in my kitchen. It's a really nice fragrance, and then this rice will combine with that. Just delicious. So guys, you can leave a comment in the comment section of how you enjoy eating your rice. And we love to have a rice shelly where we can count the grains. Some people like their rice a little bit wet. So now that the rice is in the pot, as you can see, guys, I'm just gonna use my spoon. There's a rice grain here. I'm gonna use my spoon, and I'm just gonna stir that in. Just like that. As we can see, the water, the height of the water is perfect for this rice. And so if you want to know if the water is perfect for your rice, you do put a spoon in the middle of the water or a fork, and if it stands like that, let me show you guys, if it stands just like that, then the water is perfect. If not, if the water is too much, then the spoon or the fork will be going like that. So if you knew this, please drop a comment in the comment area. And I'm just gonna cover this and turn the heat down to medium and let that simmer while I go and check on my chicken in the oven. So guys, I grabbed my mitten, my pretty mitten, because you know you have to be careful. It's very hot in there and you don't want to get burned. And I'm gonna check on my chicken to see what's going on in here. So it's looking good, guys. As you can see, you know, everybody's getting a good soaked. So I'm just gonna leave this here for another 20 minutes. So guys, now it's time for me to check the rice, and I'll be using a 2-teeth fork. You know, this is my preference. If you want to use your spoon, you can go ahead, or whatever it is. So at this point, the rice is finished cooking. It's finished cooking, so I'm just gonna remove like the scallions, you know, in a little bowl that I have here on the side. So I just went ahead and I checked on the chicken as well, and we have like 10 minutes to go for it to be fully complete. I'm not gonna take the pepper out because I want that it gives a nice flavor, you know, while it simmers still. I'm not gonna just, the rice is finished, but I'm gonna leave the stove on low so that it can keep warm. See my nice shelly white rice. Guys, if there's any suggestion of any dish that you would like to see me prepare, you can put it in the comment section. See, my rice is ready, guys, so I'm just gonna leave that there. Remove the garlic as well. See the garlic. I love using garlic in everything that I cook because it's very flavorful, and my dishes, when I cook, it must be very tasty. So that's the rice, guys, and I'm gonna cover. So guys, what I'm about to do, just gonna steam some vegetables. So here I have, you know, some peas and carrots, corn. So I'll be getting the corn off the cob, you will see, and then a broccoli crown, beautiful broccoli. And so I'm gonna start with my corn. I'm just gonna go like this and peer the corn down off the cob just like that. Side, and so put that into the bowl. Get all of that, and then I go to my broccoli. That aside, I love to give my broccoli just a cut down into the middle, just like that. Just check the chicken, it is finished. So the next time you see me, I will be presenting. So guys, there you have it. That's lemon pepper baked drumstick with mixed vegetable, some broccoli, and a cup of white rice, drizzled with honey mustard, and a tall glass of homemade sorrel juice. And so guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like it, I would like you to leave a comment and share this video all around the world. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And so will see you